Hi, welcome back to my channel. Before I continue this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the lonceng. Thank you guys. Wow, today we are going to play together. Wow, look at this guys, there are many toy cars that I have and I want to play together with you guys. Wow, so look at this, the first one. Look at this, the first one I have. Wow, excavator car, guys. Excavator car, it's extremely big. Whoa, excavator car has green color. Wow, green color. The color is similar with a leaf. Yeah, with trees. Wow, so cool. And the next I have, wow, I have bus car. Yeah, bus car. Bus car has yellow color. Yeah, yellow color. What color is it, guys? Yellow. Yeah, yellow. Wow, it's so cool. Amazing. Okay, guys, let's next car. I have, wow, I have bus. Oh no, this is not bus. This is ice cream car. Wow, ice cream car has green color. And look at this, guys. Wow, it's beautiful. And wow, there is ice cream on the bus, on the car, guys. Wow, it's so gorgeous, the car. And wow, I think this is the perfect one. Oh my god, I'm correct. Yeah, this is the perfect one. The perfect combined color between white and blue color. Wow, this is Mobilan car, and Mobilan car has perfect combined color, guys. Wow, amazing, guys. Do you have Mobilan car, guys? Okay, guys, let's next car I have. Wow, bus car also. So I have two bus cars. Wow, this is Tayo car. Tayo car has blue color. Yeah, blue color, guys. Whoosh. Okay, guys, let's next car. Wow, this is similar with the perfect one. Ooh, let's see what kind of car is it. Can you guess, guys, what kind of car is it? Oh, let's take this one first. Okay, guys, this one is Truk car. Yeah, Truk car. Truk car has yellow color and orange. Okay. Let's take the perfect one. Wow, the perfect one. Ta-da! What kind of car is it? Ta-da! This is pertamina car. Pertamina car has perfect combined color between blue and white also. Wow, The color is similar with modern car, guys. Isn't it? Wow. Perfect. The combined colors. So guys, when you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you, guys.